a step-by-step tutorial of how to get more clients to your website. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. And if you're new here, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section down below and introduce yourself. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few tips on things you can do to help you to generate more clients into your business. Now, I first wanted to start off by using the Google Keywords tool. And as you can see, I'm actually on the Google Keywords tool now. And this is a free tool that you can utilize, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to a video which shows you how to set up your Google Keywords tool for free, just in case you get stuck with it. But essentially, it's absolutely free, and what it allows you to do is to see how many searches a particular term gets per month in the search engine. So I've typed in gym instructor here just as an example. So if you are a gym instructor and you're trying to get more clients to sign up with you, then you might come here and type in gym instructor, and you will see that between 1,000 and 10,000 people per month are typing in the term gym instructor. So you can utilize this information when you're doing your marketing online, for example, optimizing your website. And I have a lot of videos on search engine optimization. So that basically means how to optimize your website in a way that appeases the major search engines, so that you set yourself up in the best stead to be ranking for the key terms that your potential clients are typing into the major search engines such as Google. So make sure you check out those videos so you know how to do that effectively. But the one thing I really want to speak about here is the related keywords. So you might be thinking, okay, I want to optimize my website for gym instructor, but actually the term fitness trainer gets a ton more searches per month. And this might be a term, for example, that not as many websites are actively competing for. So you want to make use of that as well. And it's really good knowledge to understand. And there's also fitness instructor. So fitness trainer gets a lot of searches per month, and fitness instructor and group fitness instructor. This also not only gives you ideas of what people are searching into the search engines, but it also gives you an idea of what is in demand in your industry. So you might now know that group fitness training is something that's in demand. Maybe it's because people can't afford to have a one-to-one fitness instructor. So having group fitness trainings might be something that you start advertising and promoting to help you to generate more clients. Another thing to note as well is location. So at the moment, I'm searching gym instructor in all locations, but I'm sure you're probably not, if you're a gym instructor or a consultant or trying to get clients into your business, you might not necessarily be a national business. You might be a local business. So you want to come up here and enter your location. So I live in London, so I might put in London, but you can even narrow it down and go to a specific county in London or wherever you are. You can type that in to really see the demand for your service in that specific area. This could be a great opportunity for you to optimize your website based on your location. So instead of optimizing your website for just gym instructor, you can optimize your website for gym instructor in London or gym instructor in wherever it is you are based. Now, this eliminates a lot of competition, and it's also a lot easier for you to rank for that more specific keyword as well. So when going over your website, you want to make sure that you're including your keywords in relevant places on your web pages as well. And I will be doing future videos on this as well, where to put your keywords on your website so that your website is most likely to show up in the major search engines when someone performs a search for your particular service that you offer. So make sure again that you're subscribed to this channel and click that bell notification so you don't miss when those videos go live. So another thing that I wanted to speak about is business directories. Now, this is an article that I found on invoiceberry.com, and I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. But essentially, this gives you the top 35 business directories, including Yelp, Yale, Thompson Local, Scoot, Free Index. And this is a great way to actually get your business out there, especially if you are a new business or your website at least is new, then I highly recommend getting your business indexed in these business directories. So just go and create a listing. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for, some of them you're able to leave a link back to your website, some of them you have to pay to have your link on that particular website. But I can't stress enough how important it is, particularly if you're struggling to get clients at the moment and you're a fitness instructor or a consultant or any kind of service type business. I highly recommend getting your business in as many of these local directories as possible, because even if your website doesn't rank for your keyword, then there's a possibility that your listing in one of these business directories will rank in the search engines, or people sometimes organically go to those listings to find businesses and services like the ones you offer, and you could generate new business and new clients in that way. So make sure you're actually doing that. Kind of as a caveat to that is Google My Business. Now, I've done a video on Google My Business before. It basically allows you, like this image shows here, it allows you to input your business information. So if you are a local business, then people can find you, they can call you, they can kind of find your address, they can message you, and they can go straight to your website simply by creating a listing in Google My Business. And this allows you to have search engine real estate as well. Again, if your website is not doesn't have the authority that it needs to start ranking for the keywords that you want it to rank for, people can still find your business if you are registered with Google My Business and you set it up properly. Again, I'm going to be leaving my video to Google My Business in the description down below. So if you're struggling to get clients at the moment, or you want to increase the amount of clients that you currently have, then definitely go and check out that video. I also detail how you can drive more leads and sales back to your business in my free guide called The Formula. A copy of it is behind me. I'll also leave a link to it somewhere on this screen, so make sure you go and grab your copy. It's absolutely free, and that's going to teach you the fundamentals to creating a website that generates leads passively for you and helps you to generate more sales to your business as well. So make sure you go and check that out. But I really do hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Download The Formula. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.